Hello everyone, I'm Shaburi from hookedinloops.com. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos, then please click the bell icon. Today I will show you how to make this very easy and very common jute twine ball or beads. We use this in many jewelleries nowadays and it's perfectly easy and very trendy also. So for this we will take a circular piece of cotton fabric and a needle and a thread, and then we will be doing run stitch along the border in the manner I'm showing you. Okay, just do this kind of stitch along the circumference of the circle. We will quickly complete it. And it's done. Now we will pull both the ends of the thread and squeeze the circular portion in the manner I am showing you. Okay, like this. The opening will close up, but don't close it up now. Okay, just make little bit of opening and we will insert some fiber frills inside it. Okay, like this. Just insert the fiber frills in this potly. Okay, and just fill it up such that there is no empty space inside this sphere. And when you have now when it's completely filled, just pull the two ends of the threads like this and push the fiber fill inside your potly, and then just close the opening by stitching it up in the manner I am showing you. Okay, like this. Just close the opening. When the opening is closed, simply tie a knot and cut the thread. And our fabric ball is perfectly ready. We will now wrap the jute twine around it to form the jute ball. So at first make a coil like this and add little bit of gum to stick it up. Okay, this is formed. Now to one end of the ball, just add a little bit of glue and stick that coil, and slowly add little bit of glue and wrap the jute twine portion by portion. Add glue and wrap the twine, and we will continue doing like this until the entire ball is formed. At the end, we will cut out the extra portion of the jute twine and stick it to the ball, and we will let our ball to dry for a while. At the end, just shape it up with your hands little bit and let it dry for a while. And finally, our jute ball is now ready. Isn't this beautiful? Yes, it is. And it's quite trendy also and very common nowadays. So if you liked this tutorial, then please hit the like button. Comment in the comment section for any queries. I will answer all your queries. Also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos. I have loads of crochet art, fabric art and clay art tutorials in my channel, so you will just love it. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.